Hey there, I'm Joshua and welcome to Gander Flight. Today we're going over 5 simple life hacks that'll improve your life. Life hack number 1.
So that's how the restaurants get them to look all nice and smooth. So the first thing we're going to do is cut the avocado in half. Open it up. And then we're going to take the pit out, set that to the side. Cut it in half again so we have quarters. And then the cool thing is just take the skin off the back and just peel the avocado. When they're nice and ripe like this one, it comes off super easy.
Life hack number 2. A loud noise wakes you up in the middle of the night. If you keep an extra set of car keys next to the bed, you can hit that panic button and create a bunch of noise real quick to scare off any animals or intruders. Let me take a quick moment here to interrupt and invite you. If you are into DIY, tinkering, fixing, or making, join us in our free group. I'll put a link in the description box below. Life hack number 3. If you ever need an inexpensive and temporary clipboard, go to the dollar store and grab a 10 count of binder clips. Take one of those binder clips and cut out a piece of cardboard bigger than your piece of paper. Clip the paper to the cardboard. These work really well for giving large groups of people something to write on when tables aren't available. Life hack number 4. So I first heard of this hack on the Survival Podcast with Jack Spirko. And it's one of those things that you just, why didn't I think of that? The basic premise being that you add a Y splitter to your hose bib before the hose, and that when you're done, all you gotta do is turn off the water, press the hose button, but then let the other Y open, and it now allows air to get in behind the water and the rest of your hose and completely breaks the vacuum of the whole system, allowing that water to drain out with the flip of the switch. No hand over hand, no taking hoses off to drain them out. Super simple. Life hack number 5. So we all know when we're buying a used vehicle, check to make sure everything's working correctly mechanically. And one of the indicators is checking to see if there's the check engine light on the dashboard. Now, one thing you want to make sure that you're looking for in addition to that is that when you turn the car on, that check engine light illuminates. Now, this life hack came to me through listening to a podcast by Joshua Sheets called Radical Personal Finance, and it's a no-brainer, but it's also something you don't necessarily think about. We all look to see if the check engine light is illuminated to see if there's a problem with the vehicle, but what you got to do is verify that light is actually working. Maybe the bulb burnt out, maybe it was replaced with a faulty one. So what you want to do is when you turn the car on, that first click that gives power to all the electrical systems, make sure that check engine light is actually illuminating and then turning off. That way you know that the warning light works correctly and will turn on if it's throwing a code for you. Another thing you can also do in addition to that is get an inexpensive OBD2 scanner and plug that in underneath the dashboard to check and see if there's any codes being given by the car's computer to say that there's a problem. This way you can avoid relying on that light bulb to show you. You can actually see if there's any error codes that are being thrown. Well, there you go, guys. 5 simple life hacks to improve your life. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Be on the lookout for all the other life hack videos in this series to come. Until next time, I'm Joshua and you've been watching Gander Flight. Take care and pay forward.